a special delivery. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you been?
Pretty good, you?
Oh, good.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
It's a fancy little trailer, huh?
Well, yeah, it's normally behind a Prevost.
Yeah.
So, man, my father-in-law's got a Prevost.
Gotcha.
So I just used it. I've got my own too, but it's in the shop right now. So, yeah. Pretty easy drive down here, other than freaking.
Yeah.
You got
shitty
the
ones.
St. Louis. Yeah, it's like the roads got super shitty.
It gets worse right when you go over there. Oh. What's he haul? Obviously motorcycles too, because you ain't getting a car in here, right?
Yeah, he hauls. So him and his buddy both have trikes.
Gotcha.
So one, that's why the blocks are up there. He
Yeah.
backs. I think the first one he backs in, and then the other one he drives in. So it's like offset. But yeah, it works pretty good.
Yeah.
Smooth. It's just it's so fucking tall that like it's just crazy wind catcher.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
So yeah, I can kind of go over some ideas or whatever.
Yeah, we'll get it out, get it in there, and freezing our ass off.
This ain't nothing. It was only 15 when I left home this morning. 42 now.
Oh yeah, no, that cold over there, huh? It was supposed to actually snow out, but it didn't.
That's good.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think everything else is in here.
Pull her in. Definitely gonna do the stretch back. It's definitely gonna be a little more trickier once you.
You can always raise the.
Well, yeah, you just raise the front and even it out. Pull it right there.
How far for you want me to go?
You're good right there. All right, so you got, this is your main dump valve.
Okay.
So that's your safety, we call it. So basically, oh, it's open right there. But
Gotcha.
that's gonna leak if it's not open.
Okay.
Or if it's open, it's gonna leak. That's basically, so when you park it, if it were to somehow air up or something happen, then it would just leak out, it wouldn't dump over. So then on here, you have an outside switch and an inside switch. So your top switch too, not to jump over, that's your center stand, that's your last. So this is your outside switch, this is your inside switch. Your outside's your rear, inside is your front. You always air your rear up first. So I'm just gonna do it with the bike running because just the battery.
Okay. Other than that, ride's good.
Yeah.
Shit's on power. I mean, it's just so free.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you haven't womped on it. You gotta cruise a little bit, put probably a good 20, 30 miles, maybe more. The tuner will do it.
Try and ride separate.
Yeah. All right, here we got Trent from Iowa in the sticks. Where at?
All small farming town.
Okay.
Cedar Rapids.
Cedar Rapids. So this is his 2020 Road Glide Special. Did a fat tire, 21. Trash turbo, full stretch, full air, sinister seat, stereo, everything. And he's taking it home. Kill the sound on this guy. Just to give a rundown, did the Coso gauges, molded tank dash. This is actually what you call it. You can't see it, but that's a tuxedo black Ford color. He just rode it. We got our cruising footage. Just as simple and clean. So let me know what you guys think. She's a good rider. It's bright, it's hot out right now, so get some footage and get them on the way. And then actually on this turbo, he did it out the back, so we dumped it outside the bottom of the bag instead of having a side exhaust on it. So, and just a heads up for the fat tire guys, we are going to be offering, I've got 10 on order. I should have them in the next couple weeks. 21 fat tires, all blacked out. I'll have the whole kit with the fender, the triple trees, and the 4 cans with the wheel, tire, and everything ready to go, all black as a kit. So we'll put it up for sale soon. Like I said, I have 10 on order, complete kits. So other than that, that's it. Get some other footage.